Hello everyone, I am Emma, and welcome back to the English Verse Podcast. This is the place where you learn English by listening to real conversations. No pressure. No fast talking. Just natural English.
Hi everyone. I'm Daniel.
In today's episode, we're doing something very simple. We're just talking about our week. What happened? What went well? What didn't go so well?
Because real English is not about difficult words. It's about daily life. The kind of conversations you have with friends.
So if you're listening, relax. You don't need to understand every word. Just listen and enjoy.
And if you want, you can pause the video. Repeat sentences. Or listen again later.
All right, Daniel. Let's start. So, how was your week, Daniel?
Honestly, it was a bit strange. Not bad, but not great either.
Strange how?
Well, some days were very productive. I felt motivated. I woke up early. I finished my tasks. But on other days, I felt tired for no clear reason.
I completely understand that. Sometimes the week feels like a roller coaster.
Exactly. One day you feel like you can do everything. And the next day, even small tasks feel heavy.
What was your usual routine this week?
I tried to wake up early. Around 6:30 in the morning.
That's early.
Yes, at least I tried. I didn't succeed every day.
That's honest.
I would wake up, drink a glass of water. Then make coffee. That first cup of coffee. It feels like hope.
I love how you described that.
After coffee, I usually read something. Not for work. Just for myself.
That's a good habit.
It helps me start the day calmly.
Did you manage to stay away from your phone in the morning?
I'll be honest. Not really.
Social media is sneaky.
I tell myself. Just 5 minutes. And suddenly, it's 30 minutes.
Same here.
Very sneaky.
How was work this week?
Busy. Very busy.
Busy in a good way or stressful?
Both. Some tasks were interesting. I felt challenged. But there were also deadlines. And deadlines always bring stress.
I know that feeling. When you keep checking the clock.
Yes. And you think, I don't have enough time.
Was there any small moment this week that made you happy?
Actually, yes. One evening, I went for a walk. No music. No phone. Just walking.
That sounds peaceful.
It was. The sky was orange. The air was cool. For 10 minutes, my mind was quiet.
Those moments are rare. But very powerful.